Our ozone layer does so much for us, like how it protects us from the harmful UVA and UVB radiations from hurting our skin and giving us skin cancer. But in return, we are only hurting it. Before we get ahead of ourselves, we need to understand what the ozone does for us. The ozone is made up of 3 oxygen, or O3, as opposed to O2, which is normal oxygen. This special gas protects us from UV radiation. There are actually 2 types of UV radiation, UVB and UVA, or otherwise known as ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B. UVA is worse than UVB. UVA penetrates into the deepest part of our skin, into the fatty layer. UVB only penetrates the epidermis, or the top layer of your skin. UVB, though, is the more potent when it comes to burning skin, but UVA is a major culprit in wrinkling. Now that we know about the ozone, let's talk about its major issue. Back in the 1970s, a scientist started noticing a decrease in the amount of ozone, the atmospheric gas. This leads to the hole over the Antarctic. There are many misconceptions about the hole in the ozone, but one thing is for sure. Chlorofluorocarbons is one of the main ozone-depleting substances. What is a chlorofluorocarbon, you might ask? A chlorofluorocarbon is a compound of different elements such as carbon, hydrogen, fluorine, and chlorine. These are often used in refrigerators, freon, aerosol propellants, and halogenated cans. This is one of the biggest reasons to the ozone depleting. And yes, CO2, methane, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide play a role, but most of their effects are negligible, and only accounting for about 2% of the destruction of the ozone layer. So now you're probably thinking that we're done and all, and there's no hope left. Due to the large amount of bans put on companies, they have been forced to use different chemicals, and surprisingly, this helps. And the ozone has been showing signs of healing. But we can't stop here. We need to follow through on this, and you can also donate to the EPA for better research. So preserve our world, and why don't you help out? Because there's only one as unique as ours. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit up 1,000 subscribers, so that's our new goal. And thank you for helping and supporting for this channel to get us to 50 subs. Please comment on below what you thought of this video, or also in the discussion tab, and we'll see you next week. Bye.